I saw this tote bag on Pinterest and I fell in love with it. I found the picture of the tote bag on Pinterest, which led me to a Japanese fashion blog, but I couldn't find any info on the tote bag, so I don't know if she DIY'd her own or if she got it from some store in Japan. So I decided to make my own. to sew or don't want to sew, you can just buy a tote bag and literally just make the bows and throw them on. But otherwise, this project is pretty simple for a beginner because it's like very, you know, straight lines. There's the only complicated stuff is like the bottom right here, but it's pretty simple, pretty easy. It also holds exactly one hardcover book. If you have like these kind of paperbacks, it could probably fit like 2 in there, honestly. This is a nice size, especially I guess if you're going to Barnes & Nobles and trying to cut down on your spending, which